Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of Shia Online Quran Academy, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, man mean whoever, kana is, man kana whoever is, adu mean enemy, adu wal an enemy, lillahi to Allah, wa malaikatihi and his angels, wa rusulihi and his messengers, wa jibrila and Jibril, wa mikala and Mikal. Fa inna allaha, fa mean then, inna allaha mean verily Allah is, aduwwul an enemy, lil kafirin to the disbelievers, walaqad mean and indeed, anzalna we sent down ilayka, ila to ka you, ilayka mean to you, ayatim mean ayat verses, ayat mean one verse and ayat mean verses, bayyanatin mean manifest, wama and non yakfuru non-disbelieve, biha mean in them, illa mean but except, fasiqun the disobedient ones, awa mean and is it not that, kullama whenever ahadu they contract, ahadu mean they contract, ahdan a covenant, nabazahu mean through it, nabazahu through it away, fariqum mean a party, minhum of them, bal mean aksaruhum most of them, la yu'minun believe not, walamma and when ja'a mean came to whom them, walamma ja'ahum and when came to them, rasulum mean a messenger, mean from indillahi from Allah, musaddiqul mean confirming, lima that ma'ahum was with them, musaddiqul lima ma'ahum confirming what was with them, nabaza threw away, fariqum a party, min alladhina mean of allazina those who, utu mean were given, al mean the, kitaba mean scripture, utul kitaba were given the scripture, kitaballahi mean the book of Allah, wara'a mean behind, zuhurihim their backs, him mean their, zuhur mean backs, ka'annahum ka mean as, annahum if they, ka'annahum as if they, la ya'lamun do not know. Dear students, remember it and write down your lessons every day and send us before coming class. Inshallah we will check your homework. Mu'minin and Mu'minat, we are providing online Quran classes. If someone wants to take online Quran classes, they can contact us. Weekly 5 days we are teaching, and 30 minutes every day, one-on-one class we are taking. Jazakallah fi amanillah. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala Muhammadin wa ajil farajahum.